So we had a nice drop during the overnight session, got below that Wednesday low, and we are trading inside September's range already. You can see that in September we were trading in this range for a while. Even, then we broke above it and then we came back to it, and now we're coming back again. And you can see that this is the previous area, which the bottom of that range is around the 5800 area. So if we start accepting below it, what should happen is that we should see pretty quickly the bottom of the range. Since we already traded all this before and now we're coming back into it, then we should see the other side of it. Having said that, today's triple witching. We have OPEX, we have rollover contract. Today's the last day for the rollover. And I don't know what the hell the other thing is, I forgot. But anyway, if we are opening with inventory almost 100% short from yesterday's close, so what should happen is that some correction of the inventory should bring us back into the close from yesterday, which is at 59.34 on ES. That's the settlement. We just now had some economic releases that caused this move up into the range from Wednesday, but we just got rejection. So we're still in the sell the rip mode. If we fill this gap, the gap fills here at 59.31, and then the gap to settlement fills at 59.34. Now, if buyers take control, and then what I'm going to be looking for is a reaction at yesterday's value area low, which is here at 59.50. And if we accept above it, then targets are the point of control at 59.60, and then value area high at 59.84. So that's the value area rule, right? And then again, if sellers keep going and then we're able to get back below the overnight point of control, then I'm going to be looking for a continuation into the 5800s. That could happen pretty quickly, in my opinion. And in Q, kind of like the same structure. On the upper side, we have this area, which coincides with yesterday's value. Hold on one second. And same value area rule will trigger if we get above inside yesterday's value, which is at 21,442-ish. Then we would see a move into the point of control, 21,480, and the 90-day point of control, which is at 520. And then staying below this upper range, then to me has a potential for way lower and retesting October's high at 780, and possibly travel through this whole range at the 20,100 area. crude has is now on a, it looks like a double distribution. So the point of control is at 69.60, the 20-day, but we have this lower distribution too. So this is to me the area to watch, the one that I highlighted here. So above here, if we stay above this, then look for 69.60. If we get below it, then look for 68.15. And then 67.30 will be the other area to watch for a bounce. If we get below here, this will be a good area to look for longs back into the 68.15. And gold is holding here, so I think that there's a chance that we come back into this distribution. But you know, what was support before, now it's being resistance, as it usually works. So we need to get through this 26.45 area in order to go back into this distribution. But yeah, be careful today, because with OPEX and with all this bearish action and rollover, it's not gonna be easy. We have volatility is very high, so stay small. Look for entries, wait for your setups, and keep the bigger picture in mind, because it's easy to get caught in the chop when you see 1 minute charts that are like, you know, it looks like we're reversing, but if you look at an hourly chart or a 15-minute chart, you get a better sense of where we're at and where the trend is, and the channels, and the swing highs and lows that are more relevant. So keep that in mind. All right, good luck, and have a nice weekend.